Hello everyone, today I'm going to be installing this mini split. So we got the indoor evaporator and the outdoor condenser, so let's get started. Okay, I'm down here in the workshop, so we got our line set. We got mounting bracket, remote, drain line. I'm going to be using my manifold gauge and my vacuum pump and that micron gauge. If I can't pull a sufficient vacuum with the manifold gauge, I will disconnect it and just run a hose directly to the system. We're going to pull below 500 microns. Fortunately, I don't have any way of running nitrogen through it, so I'm just going to have to hope that there's no leaks. One thing I'm going to start by doing is adding some Nylog Blue to the threads and the seat, or whatever the little flare piece is called. This will help prevent any leaks. Another important thing is that I put the caps back on here. We're only going to remove that when it's time to connect the line set. That way we don't get any particulate matter into the system that will destroy the compressor, because I don't think that there's a filter dryer, but again, you don't want anything in your system and you want to minimize that. So yeah, keep the caps on. I'm impatient, so I just put Nylog on it right now, but best bet is just to do it right before you attach it, but I am not the smartest. That's alright. One thing I also forgot to mention is that if I do anything wrong, be happy to comment the correct way to do it or any tips, because I'm not a professional and I don't know everything. I never will know everything, but by you commenting, that should help me get better. So, thank you if you do. Alright everyone, I made a big mistake, and I think it's very important to show my mistakes so that I can get better and people can realize that we're all not perfect. Can you see the issue? It's too low. I need it closer up there. But the more simple thing is that by knowing where the mount is and drawing a line around this, I can then figure out where I need to move the mount in order to get it closer to the top. So let's do that now. Okay, so up there's the attic fan, and that's where the line set's going to come out. It's going to go down onto the porch. So next step is running the line set out from there onto the porch. Then the step after that's getting the heat pump out there. Okay, I fixed it. The hole right there is where we're going to run the line set through, instead of trying to straighten it out in there. It's not really a big deal because we've got to patch that hole down there as well, so yeah. Okay, we're now on the porch, or on top of the porch. We're going to put some mounting brackets on there. And I'm going to use my hammer drill to do it. So here we go. Also, make sure you have protection. I've got a respirator there. I've got gloves, safety glasses, and hearing protection. So, yeah, be careful. Don't be breathing in rock dust. That's not good for you. Okay, so I didn't get a video of it because my camera died, but the heat pump works. Pretty happy about it. Yeah, so thanks for watching.